Bitches virgin, I'll never be a dope baby. Bad bitch, shake my ass, figure what? Like a lifeline, like a lifeline, like a lifeline, like a lifeline. Bitches virgin, I'll never be a dope baby. Shake my ass, my ass, my do what I want, my baby. Shake my ass, throw it back, I'm so surprised. Shake my do what I want.
Hey guys, so I'm here to just give you guys an update on how everything looks, the vanity, and like all the rest of my little organizations. And I'm gonna do my Temu unboxing with you guys because most of the stuff is for my vanity and stuff like that. So we're gonna do that next. But let's just get into this vanity. Okay guys, so here's the first item. Oh, this goes in my kitchen, actually. It's just a paper towel holder for my kitchen. I have lashes. Oh wow, they're so cute. Lashes, because I needed more lashes for my vanity, actually, like my little go-to lashes. So I just went on and ordered more of those. What's this? What's this? What's this? My LED light strip. I ordered this for, actually for my room, for my TV behind me. And here's my last thing. I have to hurry up and show you guys. A pink water bottle. And just some essentials for my vanity. It's so cute, right guys? So guys, that was my Temu unboxing. As you could tell, I did a little organizing and it started to look a little homey in here, which is great. But now let's go on a little self-care journey. As you could tell, I took my hair down. That's because I have a hair appointment at 7. But I am about to go get my hair done. I'm gonna go get my nails done first. So let's just come with me on a little self-care journey. And yeah, and comment down below how y'all like my little stuff so far, my little organizers and things like that. And yeah, I'll be back. Let's just go on a little self-care journey. Guys, I got my hair done. Ain't it cute? Ain't it cute? And it's natural. Besides the leaves, but this is all my hair. Look at this. But yeah, that was my little self-care day. That's Janaya out here in the bed. Boom, boom, boom. What y'all gonna get into? This kind of like the end of my vlog. The end of this vlog. This is just like a little self-care and house update vlog or whatever. Janaya's phone is so loud. But I'll be back, guys, with another video soon. You already know that y'all need to be looking.